mechanism to solve disputes. So it was like a simpler mechanism. I think something very similar to what Augur ended up building, but it was already a sharing current kind of mechanism, where the idea is that if you tend to vote, so in this case, not create vote, they call it stake. If you tend to vote or stake currently with the final result, you gain tokens. Well, if you tend to vote or stake incoherently compared to the final result, you lose tokens. So that's where we got like the idea of this kind of sharing kind of mechanism, and then we modified them first to be well, to be able to handle data which would be a bit more subjective, because in the initial mechanism, if in the end it's not your result, you just lose all the token you stake, which is extremely harsh, right? So sometimes you may have legitimate disagreement. Yeah. So in Keros we soften that, so you only lose some part of the tokens which are staked, but you don't lose everything. We made it also scalable, because the mechanism was basically, once your arbitrator is like too much used, you just fork it to have a lot of different application-specific arbitrators. That was their method of scaling, but it's not very good because you are losing on economic security. Like if you have one arbitrator with let's say 10 million market cap, that's way more secure than if you have 10 arbitrators with 1 million market cap each. So you want to mutualize economic security. So we set up the court system where you have a court tree where the disputes first start more in the leaf of the tree, and then when you have a sufficient amount of appeals, they jump and in the end all ending into the general court where anyone can be drawn.
Nice. Yes. Yes.
And
Yes.
this appeal mechanism also is also made to be able to handle more subjective kind of disputes, because the idea of the appeal mechanism is, well, first, at the end, everything can go to the general court and draw a very large amount of jurors. So at the end, all Keros dispute could end up